let's run some finishing touches. And first things first, let's install this little known program called command not found. So for example, if we wanted to run the command cal, it's going to give us the output that it doesn't know what cal is, command not found. But yet, for example, if we said sudo apt install cal, it wouldn't even, here, let me run the password, it wouldn't even know where the package or what the package cal is. So let's give us a little bit of intelligence. Let's go ahead and run, and let's go ahead and install this command apt install command not found. And let's press enter and press Y for yes. And let's go ahead and run cal again. And it's once again, let's run clear. And when we run cal, once again, it's going to tell us that it can't find cal. Okay, but in order for my command, this command that we ran before, command not found, in order for us to reset everything, let's go ahead and close the terminal. Let's go to activities and let's search for terminal. Here it is. Let's once again try to run cal, and this time it'll say could not find command or command not found database. Run sudo apt update to populate it. Cal command not found. Alright, I think it's about time that we actually update the entire system. So we'll say sudo apt update, and this is double ampersand, and we'll say sudo apt upgrade. So what this does is in one command, the ampersand, the dual ampersand, allows us to run both commands simultaneously, or shall I say sequentially. So this says run sudo update, and then immediately thereafter run sudo apt upgrade. Update notifies the database what packages are upgradable, are updatable, and then the upgrade actually does the actual updating. So let's go ahead and run this, and it's going to ask us, do we want to basically install everything, and it's calculating upgrade, and it says 0 upgraded, 0 newly installed, 0 to remove, and 0 not upgraded. So in other words, it's saying that the entire system has been upgraded. So let's run clear, and then let's run cal again. Now we can see that we get a lot more information than we got before. It does, again, tell us cal is not found, but then because of the package we installed, the package being command not found, it now says the package cal can be installed with sudo apt install ncal. So not only does it identify the package for us, ncal, but it also tells us the exact command to run. And as a matter of fact, let's go ahead and run it. Sudo apt install ncal and press enter, and it now installed the ncal package. Now let's run clear, and let's ask ourselves let's ask Linux what the ncal package is. Man ncal, and this displays a calendar and date of Easter. So it tells us all these things. Let's go and go to Q to quit, and let's actually run cal, and there it is. It just runs a simple calendar. Now let's run some, now if we type in sudo ifconfig, it doesn't know what ifconfig is. Now ifconfig is the Linux equivalent of the Windows ipconfig. Now unlike Kali that already has ifconfig installed, we need to install ifconfig, but believe it or not, it doesn't, there is no particular tool called ifconfig that we can install. It's actually nettools. So let's do sudo apt install net-tools, and let's go ahead and install this. Let's run clear, and let's do sudo ifconfig, and now we can see what our IP address is, and we are good. All right, that's about it for actually optimizing our Debian Linux distribution or installation. Yet another command is uname, and that gives us the kind of like the broad name of the distribution that we are running, and then we can do uname A that gives us a lot more information about it. So that's about it, and I thank you very much for watching. Next week we will be talking more about how Linux and Microsoft Windows Server are basically compared with each other.